Welcome back, everyone, to my archive Prism run. And okay, so yeah, I remember now we're gonna do Detention Center, and we have Anarchy 5 already, and we're still on one guarded mission, so that's pretty fun. I'm gonna give the tag pistol back to Prism. Yeah, the run's basically won already because we have a tag pistol. Let's get Tony's speed up because, you know, it's one less AP than the average agent. And I don't think there's anything else to do, so yeah, we're gonna get into the mission. Alright, I'm gonna try to do this kind of fast so I can get two missions. That'd be pretty cool. Alright. Stationary. Alright.
Hey, did you see that?
I don't really need to tag him because he's not going anywhere, but I'm gonna tag him anyway. Oh, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's see what this one's doing. He's patrolling right into here. I think I want this guard to go to this spot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh no, I need him to go here so that he's not blocking the doorway and get out next turn. Okay, cool. It's just fun putting shock traps on doors. The funny thing is, like, the shock trap goes on the door, but it also stays in my inventory. Okay, whatever. Let's hack something. It's free.
All right, we're having a look. Must be imagining things.
I can shock trap doors that are locked because guards are not going to open them. Alright. Money. That tag. Okay, I already peeked here. Could there be a camera here? Man, that'd be so annoying if there's a camera right there. Alright, give me that money. Thank you. And I am going to distract those two guards into the starting room. Okay, and wait, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, cool. I can do what I want to do, which is distract them to different spots, just to make their movement a little more predictable.
What was that?
And I'll be able to take out both their heart monitors over these 2 turns. Cool. No heart monitor and no heart monitor. So if they need to knock them out, I can do it. It won't cost anything. It won't cost any alarm level at least.
Looking around. Nothing.
I'm investigating. Guess it was nothing.
Okay.
Hold on.
Distract
Did
both
you hear
these guys
something?
so they stay in the starting room. Both their heart monitors are gone. Alright, it's time to get exploring. Yeah, we're gonna open this door, and then if someone's looking at it, I can go to this square. I feel like I would have heard any guard that was coming this way. And this area is too tight for there to be a patrol route, I think. Like, if there's a guard in here, they could be stationary. But then they're not going to wander into prison. So we're probably okay.
Looking around. Nothing.
This guard,
Looking
so
around.
this level
Yeah,
has
we
4
can't see
guards. Except it has one more than that because detention cells have a cap. Okay. I'm gonna go this way. this might be actually what I should have done was peek here first. Okay, so Dr. Zoo is gonna go this way, all the way over here, and it looks like there might be a, I don't know, the detention. I can't tell where the detention cell is. I might be able to if I had a little more knowledge about how the tiles are generated, but whatever. Okay, let's just peek. I think I already did, but yeah, let's keep going. Okay. So in one turn, this is going to be finished. Oh, that's a camera. Okay. Actually, is it dangerous to sprint like this?
Hold on. Do you hear something?
It's probably fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this card's not going to make it here next turn. So, I didn't actually get any benefit from my sprinting because I can't afford to keep running this way and then maybe I get caught. Okay, whatever. So next turn I'll poke this thing. And, alright, cool.
Investigating. I guess we just imagined it.
Okay. They work in the same building. Yeah, but the buildings are so big. Okay. Well, let's get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I can sprint. I can sprint here and I won't get heard. And I want to hack some cameras. Seems like there's only one camera that I can currently hack. And if I wait in front of the closer safe to the guard, he'll notice me. But if I wait here, he won't, because he's gonna peek. He's gonna go ahead. He's gonna like move his vision origin point one space forward into the safe, and then he's gonna look left and right, and he's gonna see Dr. Zoo. And then, but if I'm here, then he's not going to see Dr. Zoo, and then he's not going to keep looking. It's, the mechanics of that are pretty weird. Let's hack some stuff. Yeah, so when guards peek, they look left and right, or they move their vision origin point one space ahead, and then look left and right, and then they'll move their vision origin point to the left and to the right of them, and they'll look forward. But if they saw any squares when looking left and right, they won't look at any squares. They won't do the second part of their peek. This might just be a dead end. Yeah, so I already got that safe. Cool. Let's just on the heart monitor this guy.
Incognita has detected an agent currently logged as MIA.
I thought
They would be an incredible asset if you can get them back on the team.
I need to check the mods that I have installed, because I could have sworn I had a mod that like one of the bug fix mods made it so these captains are supposed to be looking in whichever direction makes the most sense. But whatever. Okay, is there another room over there? I feel like okay, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there's definitely another room there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so basically, yeah, I don't know if this is the end of his patrol route. He might be one space farther, because he's only moved 7 spaces. I think, where did he start? I don't know. I'm just gonna play it safe and do that. If the guard is right next to the doorway, he'll notice when I open the door. Okay, but we've accounted for all the guards. And alright. That's the exit room. Oh, of course there's another room. There's the exit room. Okay. Well, let's just... Okay. I don't need to peek into that room because I can just hack the camera. And... oh, this guard is going to be looking directly into the doorway. So I guess I have to wait till next turn to open the door. Alright. So at this point, all we have to do is steal from the captain, because we've stolen... I think we've stolen... oh, and the safe. Okay. And have I tagged all of the non-captain guards? I don't think so. I think there's one that I haven't tagged.
I heard something.
Okay, well, I should also check out the nanofab, but I can do that on my way out. Okay, so I know there was a guard in this room. Okay, well I have unlimited power at this point, so I'm going to activate my disguise just to get a little more distance. Oh yeah, there was a guard in here that I haven't searched yet.
Guess it was nothing.
So at this point, if I want to tag somebody while I'm disguised, well, I can't tag someone while I'm disguised, but if I want to tag somebody and keep the disguise at the end of the turn, I have to, like, it costs an extra 2 power to turn the disguise back on after attack. Okay, anyway, searched. Yeah, so I just gotta search this guy, search the safe, check the nano. And potentially the 1 power could matter, and there's no point in hacking this camera now. Alright. And let's see. Is it worth it to try to... I don't think it's worth it to try to sneak through now. I think I should wait until this guard is facing the other way. It'll be pretty easy to do at that point. Alright. I don't really need to be frugal with my power, but I'm going to be frugal with my power anyway. Alright. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I'm 5 spaces over and 1 space up, then can't get hurt from when I sprint. Okay, now let's get the safe.
What?
And yeah, Tony will just wait. Okay.
What the?
Alright, whatever. I'm gonna steal his key card. Just because I can. And okay, this looks pretty safe. Actually, I mean, I know where every guard in the entire level is, so I actually know for sure that it's safe. Okay, that means I can speed this up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, I can have, yeah, I have the disguise, so I don't have to worry about Prism at all. Okay, anything exciting? Nah. Having one Buster Chip is pretty good. Having a one Buster Chip 1 is pretty good. Having multiple Buster Chip 1s, eh. Smoke grenade, that's kind of fun. You know, like a get out of jail free card, I guess. But I'd rather have that 300 credits and spend it on like a point of speed or something. Alright. I want to get a chance to steal from this guard.
Did you hear
I
something?
know where he's going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I can activate the disguise. And if I go to this square, I'll never be in his watched vision, because when he's in this square, it's going to be his only watched square is going to be here, and he's going to turn and it's going to go there. It's never going to occupy the diagonal spot. All right, and oh, this door's open, so I can't. So I got to be a little mindful of this guard. Oops, should have closed the door. Closing doors is a pretty good thing to do. Alright, do you have anything? Nope. You know, I don't need to tag this guard, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And alright. Guards are way more able to see through a disguise when they're facing diagonally, because there are 3 squares that they're watching where they can see through it. Whereas guards that are facing along a row or column only have 1 square where they can see through disguise. Like this security guard, guards facing diagonally have this magic vision on these 2 tiles, horizontally and vertically adjacent. But this guard, who is walking just along this row, I'll be in his notice vision. I'll never be in his watch vision from 1 space away. Skip. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take out this guy's heart monitor. Then I'm gonna shock trap him. I have this item, I might as well use it, right? And I think if I'm sprinting, if I sprint, I immediately It breaks the disguise before I move the tile, so I can't sprint this way. Alright, well. Let's get out of here. Alright. Good job, team. Oops.
Recovery operation successful. Get that agent outfitted and prepped for the next mission.
Okay. Well, what missions do I have available now?
I think we're getting somewhere. Monster.
Don't care. Okay, there's a whole bunch of missions over here. Alright, jump all the way to 3 guarded missions? Nah. Unless it's to get a 3rd agent. I could just go security dispatch, security dispatch. These are both 2 guarded. Let's get random items. Yeah, random items are always good. Just give everyone 2 speed. And alright, well, Shalem, you know, he likes guns, so I'll give him the tag pistol. Even though his starting augment doesn't do anything with the tag pistol. Okay, anyway. It's just upgrade strength, I guess. That point of strength that I just upgraded, that could have been a smoke grenade. Okay, maybe I'll... These missions are all pretty close to each other, so I could just do them for money. But I could also... Like, I could do an executive terminal, server farm, vault. And this is 12 hours plus 5 plus probably another 7, so that's 24, 30-ish. This is like 30 hours. And then, you know, I'll get even more mission options to pop up. That would mean I'm skipping straight to a 3 guarded mission, which doesn't seem great. I'll just get some random items.
Digital security breached. Prepare for analog failure.
Alright. Alright, what is this guy doing? Cool. Spend 1 power and permanently know what that guy's doing. Amazing. Am I safe if I go here? Could there be a guard going from, like, I don't know, this square to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? It's possible. So I guess I'll play it a little safe. Oh yeah, Daemons are a thing. Alright, well I need more programs for Incognito, so I'm just gonna take the Daemon and hope that it doesn't hurt me too badly. Wow, okay. I love it when it's a complete non-issue. 2.5. I want to have Prism right here to optimize stealing from that guard, I guess. And yeah, we'll have Shayla check this out. Higher chance of Daemon reversal. More Daemon reversals means more fortunes. Less cooldown, but none of my programs have cooldowns. I'm gonna have so much power starting at alarm 2. I don't need a power sink in the form of Brimstone, though. I don't think. 3 power to hack 1 firewall. Yeah, that hurts. And yeah, Tony's gonna hide here. And nobody has any hacking, so it doesn't matter who grabs that. Oh, yeah, and we'll peek just, yeah, to get more vision as the door opens. Alright, well, let's see if
Something.
this guy's a key card. Ooh. Oh, that's not a key card, that's chargeback. But still good. I'll get a key card from someone eventually. Okay.
Warning.
Okay. Well, I do... Since we're not sprinting, I do want to take out this guy's heart monitor. It's just a general good practice. Dr. Zoo. Take out heart monitors as often as you can. As long as it doesn't, like, cost you anything. Okay, well, you can't hack anything.
Alright, we're having a look. I guess our imagination's just getting the best of us.
Okay, well, we have 3 doorways that we want to explore, and we have 3 agents, so... Okay, that was easy. Pretty sure there's nothing here. There can be a captain, but if there's a captain, then there's also a prisoner.
You see that?
Alright. This guy... Oh, I forgot... Huh. Yeah, I installed... There were some gameplay affecting mods that I had installed. I thought I had uninstalled them, but I guess I didn't. Mods that like add a whole bunch of new content to the game. Wait, do I see this square? No, I don't. Add a whole bunch of extra content. Anyway, and that's what the weapon information pop-up. That's why there's the weapon information pop-up. Anyway, let's close this door. And what if I used my disguise on turn 4 just to... I think there's gonna be a nano fad here. Well, okay, I'm gonna turn on the disguise. It'll be whatever. Okay. Alright, what do we have here? Hopefully not a demon. Cool. Cloak 1. Oh, Shock Trap 3. That'd be good if it showed up later. Alright, we're selling the charge pack. And we are going to turn off the disguise. And we have 10 seconds left on our turn. So... we're going to go... like that. Okay, cool.
Investigating. Guess
Did I tag this guy? I did. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay.
Hold on. Did you hear something?
Basically, I distract these guards to different spots to make sure they don't collide with each other and turn around in unpredictable ways. And then, still no key card. That's a shame. And I do still want to take out this guy's heart monitor. Got him. No heart monitor, no heart monitor. Okay.
Looking around. Nothing.
Okay, so one thing that's good to do is when you're gonna open a door. Ew, a spec ops. Yeah, the spec ops can be pretty annoying. Alright, where's this guy going? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so he's actually going 8 squares and not farther, but I can't see the square he's going to. Okay, this camera drone appears to be stationary. Let's unsprint. Now the question is, do I just want to knock this guy out right now? Spec Ops. I think I do. We'll take one hit on the alarm tracker. Spec Ops are so dangerous that I think it's worth it. Okay. And yeah, so we're gonna toggle the door.
Did you see that?
And peek again, I guess. Might as well tag him in case somehow he wakes up. Alright. And I think it's safe to just stand in front of it, because I don't think anybody else is coming. So it's a 2-guarded mission, which means there are 5 enemies. Guard, Spec Ops, camera drone. Wait, was this 2-guarded? Or was it 3-guard? No, this was 2-guarded for sure. Okay. Well, I need some scouting, so I'm gonna hack the camera drone. And okay, cool.
Looking around. I guess we just imagined it.
Oh, and dragging a guard will let me get through the laser grid.
Imagining things.
So if I can just get a... Like, it would just be amazing if this guy had a key card on him. Oh yeah! Alright, so who gets to do the honors? I think Shalem will. And we'll just have Tony EMP this guy on his way out. Alright. Yeah, we can drag him through the laser grid and it'll deactivate. Okay, I gotta close the door. Yeah, drag him through the laser grid and it will be inactive while it's oh yeah. While I'm dragging the guard through it. Okay. Let's hack the Daemon database. Do I need to hack 2 things at once? Oh, this... Oh, interesting. This, turret doesn't look like it's going anywhere that I care about. Okay, so we have 30 seconds left. So... Like, are we hacking this now? I think we are hacking this now, because we are in kind of a hurry to hack stuff as much as possible before alarm 2 hits.
Warning, Daemon installed. Alarm
Okay.
firewalls increased. Secure additional power for countermeasures.
I got to dodge the validate, though. Okay. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so we gotta go this way. Because if I'm like 4 up and 3 over, then I'll get hurt. So I had to go around this particular square. Alright, now let's just take it here. Authority Daemon. This is a facility database. I like facility databases, but we're kind of made enough progress that I don't really feel like we need it. Not at the cost of being unable to take saves for 5 turns. I'm gonna spend 1 power hacking both of these. Actually, hold on, I gotta go here first. Cool, found the exit already. Amazing. And there's only 1 guard left. Oh, I wish this camera drone had 1 more AP. And I don't think I've been paying enough attention to know if there's a guard patrolling through here. So I'm going to assume that there is. Yeah, there's a guard patrolling there until there isn't. There's one guard. Oh, okay, found the guard. Alright, peek again. Okay, well, I'm going to...
There's the lockbox. Even if we can't use the contents, we can sell them.
Oh yeah, I want to keep dragging the Spec Ops so that he stays unconscious for longer. Actually, how much? So it costs 3 AP to drag a guard 1 space if you have 2 strength. Which I guess makes it a little better to be here. Actually, I think it makes it even better to be in the laser grid, interestingly enough. Because to get from here to get the item to get back, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. But if I'm here, and I gotta drag the Spec Ops 2 spaces, that's 6 AP. And yeah, we're gonna get it safe, obviously. Okay, and let's... I wasted a lot of... Oh, there's another door. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna tag the camera drone, get into the safe, and then... I don't know what else I'm gonna do. Nothing, I guess. Oh, okay, so the guard is in that room. The room I haven't explored yet. Oh, I skipped the dialogue thingy. Okay, in one turn I'll be able to grab that. One turn this camera drone is going to be mine. And... yeah, I guess Tony can just kind of run. Cool. Yeah, I'll just check out this room. I'm gonna try to fish for fortunes later. Well, I could go buy the Shock Trap 3 if I wanted to. Still think it's a little early to do that. Oh, wait a second. Okay, let's steal 1 power. Oh, did we already steal power? Yeah, we did. I don't want to get caught by the drone, even though it doesn't matter at all. Because guards really have no respect for camera drones. Alright. A Volt Disruptor 3. Okay.
The item was resting on a pressure plate, and they know it's been moved.
Spend
Guards are coming your way.
5 power to do the same thing a Neural Disruptor does. It's 1 extra turn of knockout. Okay. Is there anything... oh, there's another room. Wow, okay. Well, I do have a turning blind spot, so yeah. I don't even have to turn on the disguise. Let's check out this room. There aren't any guards left, so I can sprint as freely as I want. Have I gotten all 5 saves yet? 1, 2, 3. Okay, most definitely have not. So I do want to be a little careful about how I handle the authority damage. I don't want to hack it down. Okay. Let's distract the guard by having the camera drone fall unconscious under it. Just to keep him out of this room for an extra turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so he is actually in that square. I didn't need to hack that camera because I have the disguise, but I did it anyway. Okay.
I'm just a little twitchy tonight.
And alarm 3 guard is over here. One thing wow, yet another room. Okay. Cool. Did I steal from this guy already? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did that when I first entered the room. Okay. I have my buster chip next turn, so I'll wait until next turn. And I do have enough power to be able to just hack everything at the same time with Parasite. Wonder where the security guard's going. It's too bad I don't have any cameras in that area. I think as soon as the next turn, I'm gonna distract this guard with Tony.
Investigating.
Actually, I don't know if it matters. It might. Wait, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, so this. Oh, but this guard bumped into that guard. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So he's here. Okay. That leads me to believe that his interest point is not in this on this side of the map. So I think I can just safely have Shalem out in the open. And alright. Disguise time. Let's go this way first. So that I'd have to go half an AP out of my way to get to this safe. And I wanted as much AP as possible to actually search this room. And yeah, I do think I should distract this guard. Wait, isn't he just gonna see Shalem now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, well, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Goodness. Yeah, I totally forgot about that. I could just ambush him and or shock trap him. And okay, but yeah, if he's here. Oh no, he doesn't have line of sight because of this. Of these sections of wall. Okay, cool. So we're fine. And okay, well, I'll hack this authority, David. Even though it would have been better to do that next turn instead of this turn.
Hey, what was that? Hey, intruder!
What was that? Investigating.
Okay, well, this is why we get one. Huh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How did this guard get blocked? Oh, he was. Oh, I thought this guy ended up here because he was blocked by the reinforcement guard. No, he went there because he was coming from the. Wow, that's embarrassing. He was coming from the objective that I. Yeah. Okay. Well. Yep. That's right, you're just an ordinary guard. Anyway. I am going to distract this guard still, and
I heard something.
yeah, the same spot, the same distraction is going to work. We can't ambush because we're pinning an enemy. Okay, whatever. Turn over. Are we about to get trapped by this guard? Oh my goodness. That was pretty bad. Okay. Guess I'm knocking this guard out. And distracting this guard over here. Yeah, that could have been a lot better. Oh, and we wasted too much inventory space. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna shock trap him because it's funny. Oh, he's going this way. Okay. Not for long, he's not. Alright, and yeah, we have only 2 things left that we need to hack. Alright, this guy has nothing.
Warning.
Oh, right, we don't have full AP. Now we have full AP. Now we can sprint freely. Part of the reason stims are such a great item. And I think we got everything. The only thing we haven't done is considered searching, or considered buying a Shock Trap 3. Oh yeah, we gotta wait one more turn to get our free fortune. We did not get a fortune. Oh, another thing we can do, if we really want to, is try to steal an item from the Alarm 4 guard. Where's he going? He's investigating this square. Is it worth it to be this greedy? Have I tagged every single guard in the entire level? I believe I have. Which makes it actually pretty safe to do this. Yeah, I gotta keep track of this guy that I haven't searched yet. I don't know, I'll peek here and we'll see what happens.
Investigating area.
Investigating. Investigating the area.
Okay, well this guy blocked the laser grid, which
Investigating
looks like
area.
it's going to be really
Must
helpful.
be imagining things.
Alright, where's the other end of this guy's patrol route? Okay, cool. You can just go up to him though. You can just... I'm gonna hack this drone. Yeah. Aw, nothing. And the little steel icon pops up. I'm like, oh yeah, he has an item. Because the previous version of the mod that adds that would just give them 1 credit and you could steal it. And then if they... I think enforcers would still have nothing. I don't even remember.
Investigating.
Alright, well. We did it. We found nothing.
The more equipment we recover, the more tactical options we have in the field. Nice work.
Alright, well. Yeah, so we got a Volt Disruptor 3. Awesome.
I'm taking a big risk selling to you.
No, I don't
right
need
now,
more
so
Buster
don't
Chip
make
1s.
me regret it.
How many Buster Chip 1s have I been offered at this point? I don't know, but it's at
Something
least
you might be interested. Thank you
2.
for your business.
It's at least 2 for sure.
Good gear is so hard to come by these days.
I do like Prism having the tag pistol. Tony can have the stim because he has less AP than other people. I'll give everyone 3 speed, and I'll give. I guess that's it then.
Pattern resolution.
Incognito.
Funny.
And you've
I guess.
Blah blah blah. Central built incognita after the war. After they lost the war of whatever year that was. Okay, anyway, that's gonna be it for today. Well, I might play more later today, but whatever. It's gonna be it for this session. So yeah, thanks for watching, and probably gonna do the exact same mission again. It's gonna be another security dispatch 2 guarded. Everything will be great. We're gonna find another shock trap 3, whatever. I don't know. See you next time.